Wake up. Your dreams are never coming true. People are always telling you to live your dreams. Dream you can and you will. I know so many artists that are sitting around waiting for gallery representation, wishing for their dreams to come true, visualizing it, putting it on their vision boards, writing it down, manifesting it, putting it under their pillow before bed, dreaming about it all day and all night. Dissatisfied, thirsty, going to art shows to promote themselves, going nowhere, getting burnt out, believing it's all a shit show, and these galleries are so pretentious, it's all their fault, that they're not representing this artist that matters, that's been waiting so patiently, that has done all the right things to portray themselves as the serious artist, all the right things, spent years at the right school, the right social media, the right events, the right friends, never taking a second job to portray themselves as a full-time, taking it serious, committed, taking on risk, a true artist. The word artist. I'm on the verge of completely vetoing that word, letting go of this title entirely, because it's just another one of those words that I connect with myself that is creating a whole belief system behind it, surrounding it, that is creating fears, blocking me from what I desire, blocking me from figuring out what I really desire, what doing my creative life's work actually looks like. Look at the words that you use to describe yourself. Words that we cling to, even if they sound like nice words, they're still boxing you in. They're telling you you're not good enough, happiness comes from other people, and you don't have it all already. There's a lot of work to upkeep these descriptions of yourself to others around you, or even to yourself. Say I thought the word kind was so me, and I wanted to be a kind person. So I would have to be kind all day to upkeep this word, to upkeep this description of myself, make it who I am. What we have to realize is that we are beyond words. We are not one word or a handful of words. If we're living in a dream, yes, we are an artist, and we are kind, intelligent, and funny. But when you're awake and you're conscious, these words aren't enough to describe all that you are. Write down the words that you believe describe yourself. Let them all go. They're only concepts, and when you accept a concept and believe that it's true, you're going to react and act as if it is true, even though it's all made up. You're making it all up. It's all made up. When it's always about your dreams, thinking, are my dreams going to come true? What am I dreaming of? Who am I dreaming of? We are in a state of unconsciousness. Instead, what is your inner vision? What is the sense of something that you need to do? Your dreams will never come true. You can visualize it, contemplate it, dream it, stay in your mind about it, thinking of it. People who do this are always wondering why, and so bitter about their dreams having never come true. They never did anything, they never made it happen, never took their heart's desire and acted it out, never became it, never manifested it at the level which is necessary in this reality. But they thought about it and they dreamed it, and they're mad that it never came true. A lot of people are zombies, not in tune with their soul. To sell your soul basically just means that you've given up compassion because it is your job and you make money from this job. And it's a lot more common than the phrase makes it seem. People are unconscious, sleepwalking in a hypnotic trance, tick tock, plus minus, like, dislike, light, dark. It's really all it is a fixation with light, blinded by it and captured by it. Why do you think TikTok is so addicting? Why do you think TV is so addicting? Why do you think TikTok is titled TikTok? Just kidding, I don't know. If you are visualizing, you're not dreaming. You are awake. You're using your imagination because your imagination is powerful. Using it to make something tangible. Visualizing it to make it tangible. Visualizing yourself doing an action makes it tangible. Wake up. You don't need to dream your life away in the closed mind. You want a real life, not a dream life. Go into your heart instead. Whatever you are seeking, you already have in consciousness. We do everything ultimately for an experience. The experience is yours if you do the things it takes to make something tangible. What is it that you're waiting for permission from an industry to do? What if we bypassed all of that and just experienced it now without them? To make the reality you wish for true, the reality has to be who you are. Clear out all of the objections of the reality that you desire. Your attachments, your clutter, your argument for your limitations, your ignorance of yourself, your sentimentality, your beliefs, your control, your misery, these stories you tell about yourself. All of this is keeping you from your work. All of this is keeping you from creating, keeping you from your true expression. To do the work and to express yourself is an activity, and no one is stopping you. The oppressors in your personal life, or the oppressors that control the media that are giving you the illusion that they are keeping you down, holding you back, you have to recognize the controllers are being controlled themselves. They have to operate within that system because they believe that is who they are. They have to operate within that system and protect that domain all of the time because they believe that it is who they are. They have structured that situation to an extent that they can't even see who they are in all of the mess because they are so busy thinking all of their control and power over others is them. They are unconscious and in a dream state. That isn't real unless they put so much effort and work into upkeeping that as truth. Without all of that work, it wouldn't be. So it's a dream state. They're unconscious. You don't have to change the world. You don't have to make the world into this dream state version that you think it could be someday. The world could be so perfect if it just did this. The world could be so perfect if it just stopped polluting the earth, stopped going to war, stop being mean to each other, stop. Imagine all the people living for today. You don't have to dream that the world could be another way, because then we get stuck focusing on that and not focusing on your current reality and how you are with people and situations day by day, moment by moment. You're just completely aloof and oblivious and forgetting to interact with people in this way you wish the world would, because you're so bitter and confused and heartbroken by the way that the world works and the way the world is. You're diverting your focus to that, and then you're not focused on your interactions with people right in front of you today, the ones that really matter, the ones that are right in front of you, your reality right now. How are you making baby steps towards your goal? How are you making baby steps towards being the artist that you want to be? When's the last time you picked up a pencil? When's the last time you painted? A lot of people say like last month, and that's crazy to me, because so many people want to be an artist, but they're not even making stuff. They're not even creating anything. They're not even posting it online. They're not acting as if they are. So how could they ever become what they're not already? When we are focused, when we're alive, when we're conscious and awake, every day and everything is filled with beauty, wonder, joy, harmony. You're no longer looking for mistakes from yourself or from others, because you realize that you're the one doing it to yourself. You're feeling so bad and feeling so angry and feeling so hurt because you're doing it to yourself. Be clear, be aware, be who you are. If you want it, you don't have to dream it. Just go do it. Just start doing it. That's all it takes to make your dream come true. You can make your dream come true if you stop dreaming about it, basically, is what I mean by your dreams will never come true. Have a beautiful day. I hope you had an amazing weekend, and I hope you have a beautiful week ahead. And I will see you next week, I hope. I think next week my brother is actually getting married like next month, so I have to go to a wedding shower for like my new sister-in-law. I sound so excited, don't I? I get weary in crowds and like social situations. I'm just kind of always like, oh, okay, I gotta do this. But I'm also excited that they're getting married, so it'll be fun. But anyways, I have to do that next Saturday, which is kind of my day that I like to film. So I think next week it's either going to be a tutorial video with footage I already have, or I might take a break next week. So I'll see you maybe next week or the week after that. I love you. I hope you're doing well. I hope you have a beautiful week or a beautiful 2 weeks if I don't see you. And bye. Love ya. See you later. Stop dreaming your life away.